and 9 conjunctions. Even though. Even though it was snowing outside, I still decided to drive up the mountain. I still decided to drive up the mountain even though it was snowing outside. On the other hand, I can speak 3 languages. On the other hand, I'm very poor at cooking. I'm very poor at cooking. On the other hand, I can speak 3 languages. Since I visited Japan, I've really grown fond of eating sushi. I've grown fond of eating sushi since I visited Japan. Provided that I have honey in my cupboard, I can make some delicious tea. I can make some delicious tea provided that I have some honey in my cupboard.